Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Regional Committee nakamenta ka West Khasi Hills bala clear Menteri Sarkar uba rani tanling da tangkar kala jengo ya ka than ha ka South Rek nailar ha ka sin ka banikong na do bra thaw ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala rai ban pinya chakmat ya ka jengkran kam khaput da ka thaw ki Leit ki Regional Committee hadien bakla dan ka jengkran bad Menteri rang ba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ha ka tayo ka la Kini ki Regional Committee kilong kaway kanday namta ka West Khasi Hills District kaway namta ka Ribhoy bat kaway pat nakamta ka East but West Jente Hills. Kini ki committee ki deban pa ya ka kaipot hapo shibanay siya ka sarkar madhabadan kam deban nang pa teng ya ka kaipot.
In the district, in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government and one committee in West Khasi Hills I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Khasi Hills on 4th, day after tomorrow, myself and then Honorable Minister Abdul, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives, of course along with the official from the district West Khasi Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. With this Honorable Chief Minister last week when he traveled with me from here to Motawa, we have discussed that our land registration fee, the stamp duty is very high, and it has discouraged people to register because they have to pay huge amount for the stamp duty. So we'll try. I will again raise this, and I think we will see if we can bring down the stamp duty rate so that it will encourage people to register. Otherwise, as of now, people they are hesitant to register due to the stamp duty apart from Assam. And I wish that will happen. I wish that will happen because they are the parent state. From them we got Meghalaya. So as parents, I think they will consider to keep enough space for the children when they go out. So I still expect Assam also, they will not feel like they are giving to foreigners, but they are giving to their own daughters, to their own children. So taking that into consideration, we hope we will be benefiting, and Assam will have a big heart to keep those land, especially those land in possession by the people of Meghalaya for many years, for 100 years. So Zizang, and then Hahim, Parabari, and then Langti. These areas falls under our jurisdiction for which we will go to inspect. So we will try to consider that also, but that may not be the final decision to take on the people's referendum, but of course it's one of the criteria to be considered.